Namaste. Today we'll discuss how to leverage Pinterest to make sales. Are you currently using Pinterest for your business? If not, then it might be the time to put some thought into it. Let's look at Pinterest by the stats. So before we tell you what exactly Pinterest is and why it is beneficial for your business, check out these interesting Pinterest statistics. Pinterest is one of the largest website traffic drivers in the world. The popularity of Pinterest spans multiple generations. Pinterest is 80% more viral and 3 times more effective at generating leads than Twitter. 60% of the users prefer Pinterest to search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. 72% of users say that they are inspired to buy something after checking out pins. Now, let us talk about what is Pinterest. Pinterest is more than just a giant pin board for collecting cool ideas and images. It lets you share your inspired ideas, including photos and videos of your products and services. So regardless of the size and type of your business, here are 8 reasons as to why Pinterest marketing may be right for your brand. Pinterest has a strong global footprint. As one of the most popular social media sites in the world, Pinterest currently has 322 million monthly active users, according to a study conducted in 2019. Visual search is on the rise. According to the study, 62% of millennials and centennials say that they would like to be able to search by name. Pinterest is the only social media platform to offer visual searches, as it has a visual discovery engine. Converts more browsers into buyers. Visitors from Pinterest are more likely to convert into leads or sales faster than other social media sources. Pinterest helps you to reduce the number of steps from discovery to conversion, making it easier for people to get straight to the source. User engagement is extremely high. Your pins are more likely to go viral on Pinterest, as users like to find and share things with small groups of people. Pinterest drives lots of traffic. Pinterest helps increase backlinks to your website, which in turn drives more traffic. It is more effective at steering traffic back to a website than any other social media platform. Pins get you more inbound links. Every pin includes a link that makes it easier for users to track the source of the image. Pinterest integrates with your website and other social media platforms. This cross-platform posting feature of Pinterest enables users to post new pins automatically to their new feeds for others to use. This can prove to be helpful if you are doing it in the right way and not relying too much on automation. Discover what your audience loves. The best part about Pinterest is that it allows you to see what is trending in real time. It helps you to see and understand what is not on that particular, what is hot on that particular day, and you can use that information to strategize and position your offers and products. 5 things on how to leverage Pinterest to make sales. First of all, you have to brand your pins. You should look at creating mobile-first content, create a similar look and feel, time your campaigns, and last but not the least, set up your shop. So the bottom line is, remember, where other social media platform fails, Pinterest succeeds. If used correctly, you can increase your following and help you gain rapid growth in your website traffic and email subscriber lists. Ready to start sharing, promoting and selling on Pinterest? At Turiya Communications LLP, we can help you get started. Check out our Pinterest management and Pinterest advertising services on our website www.turiyacommunications.com. Thank you.